Welcome back to Gary's Metal Detecting. I'm down here at Huntington Beach. Gonna have the Manicore with the coil I modified. Gonna have my Xtreme Scoop. Bring guys back on our target. All right, let's go. First target, 58.59. A little deeper. Got it. Sucks to be you. All right, got some keys. 67 to 74. Yep, part of a tent stick. Sounded pretty good. It's in the 90s, straight 90. All right, first quarter. Got 87.92. The phone's talking to me. It's in here. Don't want to lose it. All right. All right. Got a dime. No. Yeah. Is it a dime or a penny? It's hard to tell. It's 10 cents. Okay. I can't tell. Sounds like a coin, but not sure. What is that? All right, got a quarter. Sounds like another nickel. Sorry, another quarter. Maybe not. It's in here. It's in there. Hopefully I don't get hammered by this water coming up. All right, I think I'm all right. There it is. All right, 10 cents. Okay, I got a double cut. Something in there in the bank. Might be a little difficult to dig. Let's do something like this. See if I moved it. I think it's over here. Water might have got it. I don't know. It's still in there. Still there. I think it's further back. All right, we might got it. Doesn't sound that great now. Whatever that is. It was. It's a heavily encrusted coin. Yeah. Yeah, just a crusty penny. All right. Sounds pretty darn good. 90.92. It's a little higher than a quarter, but it might be a quarter. Could be anything. I think I see something down here. Yes, I do. Let's go get that washed off. I don't mind getting these. I was just talking about this the other night. Come on, water, get up here. Thought I had another signal. Now we got water. Go back up here, get out of the water. Yes, sir. We don't mind getting those at all. All right, cool. All right, right next to that hole, I got another signal, kind of close to that other one. I have a. Ooh, that one's screaming. That's a quarter, I think. Nope, it's not. All right, 2 trucks. Let's get it rinsed off. See what it looks like. All right. Stuck the arm to my scoop up through my backpack accidentally. All right, got another truck. Cool. Yep, those are always good. Is it going to be a 3-truck day? It's in here. All right, got a truck spill. Get it washed up a little bit before we throw it in the pouch. All right, cool. Number 3. Sounds like a quarter. We got it. Get some water. All right, quarter, Wyoming. Now this sounds really good, really high tone. Yep, that would be why. All that aluminum. 96, 98, lots of deep. And I got my sensitivity up too high. I think it's going to be a penny. All right. As suspected. I think I got a 27, 28. I think I got a nickel here. Yes, I do. Alright, got a nickel. Can I get another pull tab? Oh yeah. Look at that one. $88. $0.10. Get some green ones. Got a 98, 99. All the bars deep. What could that be? It's all right. It'll still be here. Here it is. All right. Very crusty quarter. $46, $43. In here. Yep, more keys. Number 3. Sucks to be them. Yeah, 27. Probably gonna be a nickel. Could be a ring, I guess, but probably not. Just talking to a guy Down here metal detecting also. Said he already hit all this yesterday. Yeah. We're a little behind the ball. Got a nickel. Alright. Surface fine. What is this? What is that? Got a razor on one side. What is that? Somebody knows what that is, tell me. The cap's missing off the other end. Huh. Is that something? I don't know what that is. Alright, we're not getting a whole lot here. Let's go to another beach. I'll bring you guys back. Alright, we're at Seal Beach. Let's see what we can get. I'll bring you guys back. I think I got a dime here. Sounds like a dime. A 90. Nope. Better. It's got a quarter. Stop recording. 89.64. Is there a coin spill? Or is it just junk? No, it sounds like junk. $64. Like a penny. Probably just a crusty penny too. It's out, whatever it is. Whatever junk it is. Yep. It's a quarter. Okay, I kicked the dirt back in and then I checked the hole and there's still more here, so sounds like probably another quarter. Yep. Alright, stick quarter. Got something up against this little cut right here. I think I just hit whatever it is too. Yeah. No? Did I? Yes, I did. Whatever it is. What's that? Oh. What is that? Is that a phone or a button? Nah. It's what's left of a phone, I think. No? I don't know. Looks like it slides out or something. I don't know. It's already broken, so let's see here. Yeah. Okay, we'll get that off the beach. I think it's a cell phone. Sounds like a dime or a penny. Hard to tell. We got more than one. No? I just missed it. What? Is there more than one? Okay. Now we got it. Oh, there was more than one. Yes, there was. Okay. $44. Bottle cap? No. Zinker. 48.52. Can I get another bottle cap? Oh, I see fishing gear. I think that's what that is. Yep. Fishing weight. Can't tell if that's a quarter or a dime. I'm leaning toward dime, but I don't know. Now it sounds like a quarter. Nope. Got a dime. All right, this is a wrap up for Gary's metal detecting. We got the monster truck show. We got some plaid. We got some garbage. We got an old phone. I threw some other stuff away before we got here. See you on the next one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Gary's metal detecting. That's it. It's kind of off season right now. Not a whole lot of stuff on this beach, so I'll catch you on the next one.